Here are 4 different Wagyu steaks.
Pure indulgence.
How much did I spend? Which one is the best? Today I flew 749 miles to Boise, Idaho to come to Chandlers because their reviews are crazy good.
We here at Chandlers, we are of course a steakhouse. We're known for steaks from all around the world.
The ambiance of Chandlers is great. They have live music every night and the vibe is upscale all around.
My name's Aurora. I'm a server here at Chandlers and it's my absolute pleasure to be taking care of these wonderful gentlemen this evening.
Looking at the menu, we could not figure out what to get because there were so many tasty options.
But I actually have a secret third option for you here. We have something on offer this evening called the Wagyu Trio, which is going to be 3.5-ounce portions of the Japanese, American, and Australian Wagyu.
We added a Snake River Farms Ribeye Wagyu to have a total of 4 different Wagyus to try.
Alrighty, here's our A5 Japanese Wagyu. Actually, this is our Manhattan cut, pardon me. This is our American Wagyu Filet Mignon, and this is our Bullseye Ribeye.
Which one looks the best to you?
So with the Japanese certified A5 grade 12 Wagyu, you are finding the creme de la creme of marbling. It's smooth like butter, like you don't even need a steak knife to cut it. And it's got this gorgeous striation that's due to the way that they treat and raise the cows. Now, Snake River Farms does have Wagyu, however, due to sort of the logistics of raising Wagyu and the ownership that the Japanese have over that branding, it is going to be partially Wagyu bred with Black Angus. So you are going to experience a little bit of a different texture, but the flavor is going to be there as well. So it is far more tender than you'll find in USDA Prime, but still going to be a little less, I mean, just pure indulgence as you're going to find with the Japanese.
While waiting for our steaks to cook, we were brought these Amuse Bouches on the house.
So this here is a house-made cracker with a strawberry gelée, a whipped lemon cream cheese with balsamic and mint, and it should be something to awaken the palate. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Amazing, thank you so much. They were incredible and tasted amazing.
The soup of the season is a carrot ginger soup with coconut milk in the base, so it's rich and creamy without being too heavy. And there's just a touch of balsamic and goat cheese crema on top to add acidity and balance. It's quite the delight.
For dessert, we got creme brulee and the chocolate souffle.
We also add our gorgeous double Belgian chocolate sauce. And then of course we've got our gorgeous Grand Marnier whipped cream.
The chocolate souffle was light and airy and a perfect dessert if you are full, but I would have liked it to be just a touch sweeter, so I am going with the creme brulee. We were so excited for the steak to come out.
Yeah.
Subscribe if you want to find out which steak was the best. I tried the Snake River Farms filet first and it was a great start. Then I had the Australian New York strip. Also amazing. Then I tried the Japanese A5 filet. Wow. Also amazing. Finally, I had the Snake River Ribeye. Every steak was amazing, but if I had to choose my favorite, it would be the Snake River Farms American Filet. We spent $385 for the steaks, and the bill for the entire dinner was $537 with tax and tip. Would you come to this place?